Hey guys, I'm back with another distribution tip. Earlier you saw our tip on how to subset armor rods and put them into one component to take them up on the pole. Here I want to show you how you take this one piece and install it on the conductor. So now that you have your subsets put together and your color mark is right on top of each other and it's open, simply take that unit, lay it in the center of your insulator at your color mark, and go ahead and wrap on one leg that is exposed. Wrap that leg all the way out and snap it in place. You go to your second leg and go one pitch away from the insulator and pull him down and wrap him about the conductor, subsetting into the first subset. You'll note that you'll get a little bend here, but that's okay. Go back to the other side then, unwrap the legs, and what you'll see here is everything is controlled. If you're working hot, this will keep it from going phase to phase. Grab that first subset that you installed and simply wrap it around. Note, as I'm wrapping that, it'll lift the conductor up and install itself on that insulator. Go ahead and wrap that leg all the way in and snap it into place. Then you'll go back to that second subset, go ahead and wrap it. It again should lift that conductor up and wrap its way onto the conductor underneath, between the insulator and the conductor, and be installed. That simplifies the installation of that set of armor rod as one piece tool. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and look for more distribution tips from Preform Line Products. Make sure to go out to our YouTube channel and like us and subscribe so you get all the updates on all these distribution tips. Thank you for watching.